Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Hair Loss Show. And in today's episode, we're going to talk about the best time to take your finasteride. So stick around.
Welcome to the Hair Loss Show, where Dr. Russell Knudsen and Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash discuss issues relating to hair loss and the medical and surgical treatment of hair loss in both men and women.
Thanks again for watching. One of the most common questions that we continuously get asked on the channel, and also that I get asked in clinic as well, is, well, what's the best time to take my finasteride? Is it in the morning? Is it after dinner or lunch? Is it at night time? What is the best time to take your finasteride? The short answer is there is no particular time. You can take it whenever you want, in the morning or in the afternoon. There's no real effect if you take it before or after food. But I would generally recommend taking it after food and not necessarily taking it on an empty stomach. Now, why is it that timing does not matter? Well, if you look at the pharmacokinetics and dynamics of finasteride, we know that it has a half-life in the body of 8 hours, meaning that if we take a tablet of finasteride and we measure the concentration of finasteride in the blood, in 8 hours time, that level will have dropped by 50%. But that's not what we're interested in. We're not interested in the blood level of finasteride. We're interested on the effect that finasteride has on a particular enzyme, and that enzyme is the 5-alpha reductase enzyme. And that effect on the 5-alpha reductase enzyme lasts for about 21 days. Now, that doesn't mean that you should take a tablet every 21 days. That means that effect on that particular enzyme will last 21 days. So we find that you don't necessarily need to take your finasteride on a daily basis, because you just want sufficient levels to suppress that activity of that 5-alpha reductase enzyme. And so we've talked about this in the past, where we can customize dosing in terms of the actual milligram amount or the frequency at which you take it. And so some people would recommend taking it every other day or 3 times a week. And because it has such a long effect time in the body, it's really irrelevant whether or not you take it in the morning or at night or in the middle of the day. What's most important is that you actually take it. So if you can be consistent with it, whichever time works for you, that's the time that you should take your finasteride. I hope you found that useful. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.